Hello to all of the students. Today, let us see a topic, read free radical reaction from organic chemistry. Students, this read reaction is actually the chlorosulfonation of hydrocarbons which proceeds through free radical reaction mechanism. Student, this is actually a photochemical reaction of hydrocarbon in which hydrocarbon is to be reacted with sulfuryl chloride or sulfur dioxide and chlorine under actinic like illumination to form aliphatic sulfonyl chlorides. The reaction takes place in presence of actinic light illumination, that means in presence of ultraviolet light, that is sunlight, during which the hydrocarbons are converted into aliphatic sulfonyl chlorides. This is the free radical reaction mechanism which gives the mixture of both sulfochlorination and chlorination products. If the condition of the reaction is controlled under certain conditions, then mainly monosulfonyl chlorides can be produced during the reaction or after the completion of reaction. For this reaction, we can also use gamma ray illumination instead of actinic light illumination. And the main application of this reaction is that by using this reaction, synthetic detergent can be produced in industries, and also it is useful for the production of wetting agents, and also it is used in the modification of polyethylene. In simple way, we can see that this Reed reaction is a chemical reaction that oxidizes hydrocarbon into sulfonyl chloride in presence of ultraviolet light, that is sunlight. This is free radical mechanism, I already told you. By using the sunlight, a chlorine, that means Cl2, undergo homolysis. The homolytic fission takes place in which Cl, the bond between two Cl, breaks down and the electrons of bond are equally shared between both the chlorine, that means each chlorine acquire one electron. That means there is formation of chlorine free radical in the chain initiation step. The chlorine free radical produced in the chain initiation step then follows chain propagation step. In this step, there is formation of HCl and alkyl free radical. Then SO2, which is electron donor, attacks alkyl free radical to form sulfonyl radical, which finally attacks another chlorine molecule to produce sulfonyl chloride and new chlorine atom, which continues the reaction chain. In the first step, you can see that Cl2 undergo homolytic fission to form two chlorine free radicals. This is the chain initiation step. In chain next, the chain propagation step is there, in which alkane hydrocarbon RH with one of the free radical firstly eliminate HCl, that means chlorine free radical abstract hydrogen from alkane, that is hydrocarbon, and HCl is given out. Then what remains? Cl with one electron and hydrogen with one electron gives formation to HCl bond formation, that means HCl is given out. Then one electron is left after bond breaking of CH, hydrogen is given out. Hydrogen with one electron form HCl with one electron of Cl, and one electron that remains on alkyl group, that means it is formation of alkyl free radical. This alkyl free radical with SO2, sulfur has a lone pair of electron. This sulfur with one electron of alkyl group form a bond between carbon and sulfur, which gives rise to formation of RSO2. This is also one of the free radical because sulfur carry one electron. After that, this free radical with Cl2 gives RSO2Cl. During this process, Cl2 undergo homolytic fission in which both the Cl carry one electron with one chlorine with one electron, that means one of the chlorine free radical, share its electron with sulfur which carry one electron, that means it is also free radical. By sharing these two electrons between sulfur and chlorine, there is formation of bond between sulfur and chlorine, and one of the free radical is left there. This is in such a way RSO2Cl, that means sulfonyl chloride, is formed by the step chain initiation and chain propagation. The overall reaction is given below: RH plus SO2Cl2, RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. That means under particular circumstances, that means if we use the typical temperature 40 to 80 degree, only the chlorination of alkane will take place. You know the chlorination, hydrocarbon alkane with thionyl chloride gives alkyl chloride. This means this is simple reaction of chlorination in which hydrogen is replaced by Cl. But this reaction takes place under the particular condition only. But actually the read reaction takes place by chain initiation and chain propagation step, and the product of that read reaction is RSO2Cl, this one.